did it! Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? Today is the 23rd, and for today's project, I didn't really know where to start. I've kind of been picking at this project for today a little bit before I started up the camera, but right here we have, I guess, a 90's Ford F150 XL with a plow attached to the front. It's been sitting for years, if you can't tell by how it looks and all the tree gunk on it. Really, the only goal for this is to detach the plow and everything that goes with it, but that's a little bit more complicated than it seems. So in here, there was a hydraulic pump which disconnects. Over there are the hydraulic lines, I believe, according to following these. And then, of course, the controller in the interior, which I suppose I can show you. This right here, that just goes through the dash. So I believe we bought the truck like this, everything all put together, but I have been kind of just trying to start somewhere by like taking off the front grille. So there's 4 screws on the top, 1 in the middle one's stripped. And it looks like these little brackets might be holding this in as well, but I can't tell. Don't have anyone to ask, don't know what to look up, because I think this is custom, potentially. So, yeah, I guess I'll just put you guys to the side and kind of show you me hammering away, because the end goal with this truck is we're just scrapping it. So I'm not worried at all about breaking stuff. I just want to get stuff out of the way, and if I can save it, I'll try. But like that strip screw in the middle, it seems like too much of a pain and it would take too much time. So I'll probably just end up ripping the grill off. It's not a very good view. Even I don't have a good view of much. I can't move anything. I grabbed a hammer. I'm sorry. I'm very limited on tools here. I could go home and grab some more of my own, but I don't know. I'll make do with what I have here. I don't want to make a bunch of trips. So if I pry this as back as far as I can. Nice. The screw let go. So now it's just these brackets, which honestly look like they're just attached to the blue down here. A little bit of rust, it seems like. I'm sure if I was really careful, I could try to get some value out of the front end of this thing. But no, I won't. So I've got my 1/4 inch ratchet and some random sockets. And I guess I'll try things until something works. Also, this video might be cut short because the SD card is almost full. I've still yet to take out or edit anything because I don't know what to do. Yeah, it should be as simple as just pull on these pins and then twist them, but no doubt that they're rusted. Come on, loosen up, you. This isn't gonna work in a million years. Whew. Some prying action. I'm not too sure what's gonna happen once this comes out. Oh, it moved. Pin looks to be out. I don't know how to keep it from going back in. There's a little jack stand thing in the middle, but I don't really know how that works. Maybe if I think the pin's out here. Maybe if I lift it up a little bit. Then the plow can drop. Then I'll start hammering away on this side. Yeah, I really don't know where to put you guys to get a good view of all this, because I'm just as lost as you are. Give you a little side angle. I don't really want to put you too close to the plow, because then who knows what'll happen. I did it! Just how it was intended. Okay, so this couple 100-pound plow perhaps can now be separated from the vehicle. I'll start by moving this off. This was just to cut a couple branches that were overhanging this, because, you know. And of course I also have these hydraulic lines, which I might just unplug if they even do come across or come out that easy. Oh, I didn't really get that on camera. I'll unplug the other two. They actually came out pretty easy and looked fairly empty. Okay. Maybe I spoke too soon. There's another one. And then come on, halfway there. Yeah. There we go. Hoses are off. Everything else should have already been unplugged. It's got little caps too. Yeah, I'm sure there's no dirt or nothing in there. I don't want to contaminate these or something. Oh, it does go like that. I'll put the cap on this third one, and then I don't know, I guess I'll actually try to move it and see what happens. I don't think there is a dolly here that I can use, but if there is, I might try to wedge it and see if I can get something going on. Yeah, I'll stop the video for now. Trying to save battery and space, and I'll go look for something. Feeling it'll just fall backwards and come out, break my shin or something. I don't know where to. Is it just bending? Can you see? Push it in. Here, maybe if we pull it out, put it on this side. Yeah, I'll try to twist it out. Oh, well, this just did it. Me trying to pull it out is what we needed. Oh, not anymore. And now it's like sunk right into the ground. Here, how about right on the edge? We'll try to push it down. There.
That wood in the way?
Yeah, it is. I might be able to. Ooh. Get it all the way under, and then now. I can't pull it.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming away.
I'm gonna whack my head. Here, let me move this thing.
Yeah.
Look how sunk into the ground it is. Yeah, 'cause that's what we need.
Yeah, she was hoping that your dad would put it in the garage. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Whoopsie. I don't know what to do with this thing because it doesn't look like it unplugs. Oh, I'm way further out than I thought. These connect to the light. Yeah, so this is stupid. Because it branches off into individual wires and then like hot wires up with the headlight. Yeah, this is just a big spaghetti mess. Actually, I'm gonna open the bed, but I'm gonna see, because I bet a bunch of rust is gonna fall off. That's what I thought was gonna happen. Apparently, I can just lift this. Oh. Well.
Just put it way over there.
Take it right off. Tailgate. Put it where? Yeah, look out. I think that's just rusted off. That's why it's moved out like that.
Oh, yeah.
That side's still connected. It might be too heavy. Oh, I didn't think that would drop like that. Oh, easy. Oh, fresh water in here.
Put it on the side of the ground. Put some of those wood under it. I'll hold it up and then take some of that wood so it then
There's just one bolt in here. I'll see what I can do. I don't really know why I'm doing this. I think I'll put the ratchet on and see if I can get the hammer in the front. Oh no, it fell out. How is it stuck on now? What the fuck? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna grab a screwdriver. Let's see if these come out easy. I would put it on the bumper, but it's kind of... I guess I can try the bed. Pretty cool, huh? I got all kinds of junk like this. You kidding me? Looks like one more on the inside, maybe. It is turning, but it's also stripping. You gotta be kidding me. I can't get a single piece of anything off of this because at least one part breaks. I actually used a little momentum there and did a little like tight and loosen action. Come on, it's getting loose. Well, looks like that's all I needed. There's the connectors. Yeah, these are weird. You just unscrew it and then it comes off. This gasket's melted right onto it. Ah, that might be worth something. Yeah, like I said, limited space on the good old SD card, so this will not last much longer. So I hope you enjoyed whatever this ends up being. Oh, it's still recording. I thought it ran out. Oh, I suppose you saw me take out the other light. The sun came out, so I'm gonna get a little water break and probably put you guys away for the day. Okay, bye-bye.